Hello everybody, we are back with another video of Pokemon Go sound, but this time I feel like doing the burping sound because I feel I'm doing the burping sound and probably I'm going to do a Charizard sound because some of you fans of Charizards like me, I love Charizard like crazy. And some of you that are fans of Charizard, you might like it, so I'm going to start now. So my first burp is called the ugly burp. And this is my second one. Hello. Burp. And then this is my third one. There's going to be 3 in every one. And and now we're on to the Charizard sound. So ready? This is my Charizard angry voice. And this is my Charizard probably medium voice. And this is my Charizard nice voice. Charizard. And then I know you hear people in the background, I'm sorry, but try to listen to me the most. And since I went through that quickly, 3 sounds, I'll do Blastoise and Venusaur. Right, Huey? I should do Blastoise and Venusaur? Yeah. I know. So ready? This is my Blastoise sound. Blastoise. And this is my angry Blastoise sound. Blastoise. And this is my medium, easy Blastoise sound actually. Blastoise. And this is my Venusaur sound when it's angry. This is my medium sound. Venusaur. And this is my easy sound of Venusaur. 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 And just to tell you, some Pokemon Go facts, the least Pokemon that I don't like Weedle, Kakuna, because it can only use Harden, Metapod, and I'm only gonna do 5. Let me see, Rattata, and then I'm sorry if some of you don't like what I'm saying, but if you're fans of those Pokemon, just know that.
I hate it.
And my cousin just said he hated it because he likes Rattata. And, what Pokemon? Yeah, I need to say, with this, if some of you don't like this, but I need to say I don't like Raticate. I'm sorry, fans, but I hate Raticate. Huey loves Raticate. All he has in Pokemon Go is Eradicate. It's his best Pokemon. It's only 1202. It's better than my Vaporeon. My Vaporeon's only 1091. My Flareon's 904. And this video is really short, I think. I don't like to do long videos for some reason. And this time, just to tell you, Gassy. Hunter. And this is Gengar sound. Gengar. And I was trying to surprise you with those sounds with some of you that are both fan, and it's close to Halloween, so I am going to do them. And Huey never says hi, so what? 2 subscribers? What?
So you gotta thank your fans. You gotta thank them.
Okay, I'm going to thank my fans, if you like it. And, no saying, you say hi.
See you later, guys.
And bye, everyone. Just to tell you, just gotta burp. And bye. Pokemon Go fans, burp.